I love you.
Yes.
Honey, I am pregnant.
Once upon a time. In forest. Gray Parrot proposed to White Parrot. White Parrot trusts the words of Gray Parrot. They two love each other. White Parrot pregnant. She gave 2 beautiful babies.
You are so beautiful. Let's we
But the
date.
Gray Parrot cheat his partner and date with another Red Parrot. They two started to build their own nest. White Parrot found that her husband cheating her, so she decided to raise her children her own.
I cheated by my husband. Please subscribe my channel and give a like.